For the next few lessons, we'll be in the Utilities section of the sidebar. The first item here is Imports, which is going to display photos or videos that have been imported to the iPad from an external disk, card, or camera. These are arranged by date, and all of these will also be included in the Recents section. Next, we have Duplicates. Photos will scan your entire library, and as it finds duplicate or highly similar instances of an image, those will be added here automatically, where we can then review them. Here at the bottom, we have 3 instances of the same image that seem to be exact copies. Notice that Photos displays the file size of each image. We can, of course, use the Information panel to see more about each of these. They seem all to be the same. Having 3 copies of this photo is just wasting storage space, so I'll tap Merge. Photos lets us know what will happen, and we can merge these 3 into a single image. Scroll up to this photo of the Grand Canyon, and we have 2 instances of the same photo, but the file size is very different. The one on the left is a full resolution 15 megapixel image. The one on the right is only 300 kilobytes and quite low res. But it has a caption added. Tap Merge, and Photos lets us know that these have differences, and when they're merged, it's going to retain the highest resolution as well as relevant data, such as a caption in the merged file. So let's merge these and then take a look at the result. We have the full resolution image with the caption that came from the low resolution copy. So Photos kind of takes the best from each duplicate and combines them into the best possible single image. We can go through all our duplicates one at a time like this, or we're able to choose to select all of them and perform the merge command for every set of duplicates at once. Notice that Photos gives us the option to only merge the exact copies, or go ahead and merge the duplicates that might have different resolutions or metadata, such as captions or location data. If a lot of duplicates have been found in your library, this will probably be the route that you want to take. Any copies that are removed in the merge process are going to be in the recently deleted folder, which will allow for recovery if something is removed that you want back.